Today we are going to talk about limiting reactant. Okay, what is limiting reactant? Limiting reactant is the reactant that is used up completely first in a chemical reaction. Okay, that will limit the total rate of reaction. Okay, it limits the amount of product that can be formed. Okay, once it's completely consumed, the reaction stops. Okay, excess reactant the reactant is the substance that is left over after the reaction is complete. Okay, that means that it is still available after the reaction has been completed. Okay, it is present more than the required amount. Okay, the key idea is limiting reactant is run out first, stop the reaction, whereas excess reactant will left over after the reaction. Okay, steps to identify the limiting reactant. Step 1 is write the balance the chemical equation and then convert the mass of each reactant into moles. How we can convert it? We are going to use this formula. Moles is equal to mass over m1. Now compare the mole ratio in the balanced equation. The reactant that produce the least amount of product is called the limiting factor. Okay, for example, the reaction is 2H2. Okay, that we need 2 moles of hydrogen. 1 mole of oxygen gives us 2 moles of water. So given that we have 4 moles of hydrogen and 16 grams of oxygen, 4 grams of hydrogen and 16 grams of oxygen. First we will calculate moles. How many moles of hydrogen are there? So there is 4 grams, 4 divided by 2, that will give us 2 moles. Okay, hydrogen H2 is 2, Ar is 2. Now for oxygen. Oxygen is 16 grams and the O2 AR of O2 is 32. Okay, so 16 divided by 32 gives us 0.5 moles. Okay, now we will compare ratio. Ratio is 2 to 1, but here the ratio is actual available ratio is 2 to 0.5 moles of oxygen. So oxygen is not enough. Okay, limiting reactant is here is oxygen and excess reactant is hydrogen. Okay, now we will do one more example. Example 2. So reaction is 1 N2 plus 3H2O gives us 2 moles of NH3. Okay, so we have 28 grams of N2 and 3 grams of H2. Okay, so we will find how many moles of nitrogen are there. So 28 divided by AR of nitrogen, 14 plus 14 is 28, so that is 1 mole. Okay, and what about the hydrogen? Hydrogen is 3 divided by 2, that will give us 1.5 more. Okay, now the required ratio is 1 ratio 3. Okay, because 1 N2 because N2 plus 3 H2, 3 moles of H2. Okay, but we have 1.5 mole. Okay, 5 moles of hydrogen, so hydrogen is insufficient. Okay, so that means that the limiting reactant is H2.